How to add parental control in your child's Roblox account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your kid's Roblox account and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option in the menu that appears. Further, from the left side toolbar, you will see the option for parental controls. Tap on it and then tap on the Add Parent option you see there. You will then be required to enter your parent's email ID. So go ahead and enter the email ID from which account you want to make the parental control and then tap on the Send Email option you see there. You will now receive a verification code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and open the email sent from Roblox and then tap on the View Account option you see there. Or you can also tap on the Use Existing Account, or if you don't have an account, you can tap on the Create Account. I will use an existing account. You will then be required to log in to your existing account in which you want to add the parental control. So go ahead and log into that particular account and then go ahead and verify with your ID. And once you have completed the verification process, your parental account will be all set. So this was about how you can add a parental control account in your kids' Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.